Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So firstly we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so let me find it, let me enter it, and all we have to do is simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to find history, let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously visited websites, and you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and as you can see it immediately disappears. But if you'd like to remove all of them with actually one or two clicks, then all you have to do is simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. And in order to remove something, just make sure that they will be marked like here. So I would like to remove also saved passwords and so on and so on. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you are ready, all you have to do is simply tap on clear data, and as you can see we just immediately got back to the history, which is empty right now. So it means that we just successfully removed actually everything, starting with the browsing history and ending with saved passwords. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.